guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I actually made up to 200,000 naira from this side hustle without much work. I did not invest in any capital. All I need is just my smartphone and WhatsApp, and you're good to go. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. If you're still watching this video to this very end, then you need to subscribe to my channel, because I, Hamdallah, will never ever upload a content that is going to tell you lies, or that is going to mislead you to a wrong website and convince you that you are going to make money from so place, and you're not going to make the money. No, I'll never do that. So you see why you need to subscribe to my channel. Now let's dive in today's video. So you need 5 things to be able to start this side hustle. Number 5, you need to be determined that you want to start this business. Once you determine that you want to do this thing, then you're good to go. If you say yes, I'm ready to do this, then your yes is yes. No one is going to stop you. Then the fourth one is data subscription. Of course, if you want to use a WhatsApp, that's the only thing I see that I am spending money on. And actually I actually spend like 300 naira on 1.5 gig, or sometimes 500 naira on 3 gigs. So it's not every day, and the data does not finish in a day. So you see, you don't need much data as well. Number 3, agent number. Yeah, I'm going to be explaining what exactly you're going to be doing as this side also. It's a realtor, like a real estate agent. So what you are going to be dealing with as a student is to be dealing with hostel. You need to get an agent number, because the agent number, because the agent is going to lead you or give you more information about houses, and also tell you the prices of houses, give you videos of the houses. The agent is also going to add you to a group. So if the agent is not talking about a group, a platform where he always send in videos of or available hostel, then you need to ask him. Okay, the second thing you're going to be needing, your WhatsApp. Yeah, your WhatsApp is very important, because WhatsApp is what I use, and WhatsApp is the most common and convenient app for Nigeria to chat. So that is why you need a WhatsApp. You need to download the WhatsApp, and I believe that every Nigerian always actually use WhatsApp, everyone, yes, mostly everyone. So you need to download the WhatsApp app on your phone, and that is when you're going to create a group. Then you can actually add your students, your friends. You can ask your friends to help you to repost the group. Just write a description like this. I'm going to show you. I'm going to put my own group on the screen and show you exactly how it looks like. Number 1 thing you're going to be needing is your smartphone. Of course, I already believe you have a smartphone, and that is why you are watching me right now. So you see, all you need does not even require a lot of things like that. So the things you need here is just your smartphone, data subscription, a WhatsApp app, and agent number. The agent number is very important, because that is where you're going to get available hostels to sell. Now let's talk about the money. For instance, now the agents gave you a hostel for 150,000 naira. I don't know, it depends on the location of your hostel, of your school, but at my own, like, the rate we actually charge is 150 upward, but for single room is actually at the range of 80,000 naira, 85 or 70,000 naira. So for instance, now I got an hostel for 150,000 naira from agents directly. Then you're going to sell to your clients or to students that want to rent hostel from you for like 170 or 165. But it depends on you. You know, if you work with the agents, you can ask for more details about how they actually charge, how much they add to the landlord fee. Did you get something like that? So that you get your own commission. But for me, the highest I actually put or had to agent's fee is 20,000, and the smallest I had is 5,000, which goes for only single rooms. Okay, and I also charge for merging fee. Like for instance, now two students can actually come to you that they need roommates, so you need to match them together. So I collect 3,500 naira or 3,000 naira from each of them, which makes 6,000 naira. Then I match both of them together, and they also rent hostel from me. I get the money from the margin fee, and also get another profit from the hostel rent. So that is how you are going to get your money. And the other part is that the other difficult part about the business is that you need to look for aspirants, like people to add into the group. Now this is how I actually got people to add into the group. I'm working in an organization that deals with A level programs, so I easily get new students on that organization. But the other way you can actually do is, the way I actually did this year is that I created a Facebook account group. Students are joining voluntarily, so I'm just going to tell them to drop their WhatsApp number so I can add them to WhatsApp group for Kwasu or any school updates. Did you get? So that's how I actually do my own, and you can also implement the same thing to get aspirants for your group. Did you get? And the other way you can actually get more people to join your group is by asking friends and classmates or colleague or hostel mates to help you to repost the link so you can get more members in the group. And the higher the members, the higher chances of making more money. I hope this video is helpful. Let me know in the comment section. Do not forget to like this video because it's going to help the algorithm to push my video to more people who really wants to make some extra cool money for themselves without too much stress. See you on my next video. Stay subscribed. Bye. Take care.